Hey guys, this is an overview of some belts I picked up on Amazon. There's the label. And there's where I cut through the bag by mistake. Note to self, when you get these, shake the bag, make sure in the bottom, which I did. And they still got cut through, so let's see what survived. That one. I hope with the smaller ones, because that's what I want, is the small ones. Big ones did not, which is too bad. Cut through it a lot there. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description. They look fine to me. Add that to my collection. Take it easy, guys.